Hi, I'm Analou. Welcome to Ateneo de Dabao's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to edit an assignment. This is the course section. To edit an assignment, click Turn Editing On. Click on the Edit menu to edit. Then click Edit Settings. Additional files. You can also upload additional support document if needed. For example, just click on this arrow, choose a file, then upload this file. This is now the file we uploaded. Availability. You can decide when do you want your student to submit their assignments. And you can also set yourself a reminder when to grade by. For example, October 28 at 8 o'clock a.m. and the due date will be October 28 at 10 o'clock a.m. Cut-off date will be October 28, 10:05 a.m. Then remind me to grade by on November 2 at 8 o'clock a.m. Due date is important because it will display on the course overview for the student. Remind me to grade by will display on the timeline on the dashboard for you. Always check the Always Show description. Submission type. You can specify a type of file you want them to upload. If you want them to type an essay, just select Online Text. You can also set a word limit, for example, 200 words. For file submission, if you want them to upload one or several files, you make sure to click on maximum number of uploaded files. For example, 2. Maximum size will be 10 MB. Accepted files type. For Word document, usually PDF files. So we choose PDF files. Choose. This is a PDF file document. Then scroll down. Click Save Changes. As we could see, the only file that it will accept is PDF document. Feedback types, submission settings, group submission settings, notifications, grade, common module settings, restrict access, activity completion, tags, competencies, just leave it as default. Then click Save and Display. That's all. I hope you learned from this tutorial. I enjoyed sharing tips with you. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. Check our other tutorials as well. Enjoy learning. Thank you.